In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page breaks in Canva documents. If you're someone who loves using Canva for designing various documents, you might have found yourself needing to have more control over your document layout. A page break can be an essential tool in managing the flow of content, whether you're working on a presentation, a multi-page document, or even a simple ebook. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to open your Canva document where you desire to add a page break. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account and navigate to the document you want to modify. Once you're there, take a moment to scan through your document and decide exactly where you want the new page to start. Having clear sections can make the process smoother and your final result more polished. Now, once you've identified the place, you'll notice a small plus icon on the toolbar or at the bottom of the page, depending on your interface layout. Click that plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new design elements, including pages. Clicking it gives you a bunch of options to enhance your layout. Among these options, there should be a direct prompt or a drop-down menu, allowing you to manage pages or add new ones. Next, in the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Page Break. By clicking on Page Break, Canva will add a new page starting at the point you selected, effectively pushing any subsequent content onto this newly created page. This helps in structuring larger documents or breaking up content-heavy pages without having to rearrange each element manually. While doing this, keep in mind that Canva's interface might slightly differ based on updates or the device you're using, but the core functionality will remain largely the same. If you don't immediately see the page break option, you might need to scroll or explore other sections within the menu to locate it. Once you've added the page break, take some time to review your document. Make sure that the content before and after the page break reads well and maintains the flow you desire. You can always drag and rearrange content or further customize the look of each page to suit your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page break to your Canva document. This small addition can significantly enhance your document's readability and overall design. It ensures that your content is presented exactly the way you envisioned. Remember, the power of a clean document not only lies in its visual appeal, but also in how easily your audience can follow your narrative. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and can now confidently manage your Canva documents with page breaks. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, and happy designing.